All right, y'all, it's daybreak, so y'all can see back there, good old sun coming up. Give y'all a quick pan of what we looking like out here. It's been raining for the last 5 days. Look at that standing water right there and up under there. So remember, I gotta fix all that, y'all. They not in the exact place. Got the Mr. Lubba Lubba over there. He been chilling for about 4 days because of the amount of water right there. Y'all can see over there is still nice and cut. Yeah, the grass didn't grow back crazy. The days that it wasn't able to cut, I mean, it worked out. It's dope. So it's been running now. We're gonna get it together. What was that?
The PVC pipe.
You scared? Don't be
Mm.
scared, man. Alright. Let's knock it out. We ain't got that much time. We need to get these batteries out of here first. Be careful because they'll pivot and tilt. So kind of push it sideways and get it back there. This other one, we gotta disconnect. Alright, we can push it all the way back.
Push it back there.
All right, y'all, we doing just a little bit of cleanup because we need this table and we need to grab another battery from back here. So gotta start knocking projects out. You can stick it like right here, right up against this. This is my DE 5120 watt hour Life PO4 battery. It is a 48 volt battery and it's typically used for cabins or like what I'm doing, hooking up my shipping container for power. And DE is sponsoring today's video. So let me get this thing unhooked and we're off. And we got enough sunlight out there to where I think y'all can still see what's going on in here. Knock that positive We're removing the batteries because they are full and we're gonna run with this one in the shipping container for now. But these are gonna end up going, both of them, the big ones are gonna end up going in the powerhouse. So they don't need to be here yet because I need to get over there done and they will eventually live over there. But since they're all the way full and it is charged by solar, I'm gonna go ahead and get them out of here and have them on standby. I need to find the box with all the goodies in there because it's got the terminals and everything in here. All right, y'all. While we're at this point, I'll go over a few things that comes with the DE, with the battery itself. Marketing, user's guide. It looks like a Ethernet cable. Yep, it's a shorty. Here's another Ethernet. So if I were connecting multiple of these together, that's how I would connect it. And then we got grounding cable, another Ethernet RJ45 connectors, and there are a few of those lugs. Here are the terminal lugs themselves. Get those out of there. And hopefully they match the lug size to these wires. And we'll be good to go. Done with those. And they also come with these shorties, y'all. So if I was adding more than one battery, I'd be able to link them together and in parallel and they'll become one. Anyway, all right, let me get these. No, that can't be true. So the screws or terminal screws that came with this, y'all, they do not fit. So let's see. Oh man, that sucks. Let me see if they have some more somewhere. Because that definitely sucks. Those are not terminal screws, man. Alright, let's hope these work. And those do work. Let me go grab another one off of the other battery. Alright, y'all, that was about to suck this morning. But, you know what, I'm going to go in. But anyway, okay, they fit. Both of them fit. Now let's get this wire connected. And I'm going to tell y'all a little more about this battery and use it this morning because we got some steps to cut. Put my covers down over them so there's no issues with it. And cover the other ones as well. Thank you. Y'all can see I got a fuse on my positive, and that runs up to my system and all of that's on. I even turned the BMS on already, so I should just be able to flip. And we are back on up top, y'all. So this is on. Y'all can see it's charged to 52%. I hope that's coming across well. And yeah, there's my light. Let's get this thing put on the floor where it's gonna live. Can you move the table from under? We're gonna stick it back there. There we go. There we go, y'all. Got the battery hooked up. In fact, now that it's hooked up, I want to take a second, unhook it one more time so that the wires can be run to the back and hang off the back. We back, set up, and the lights are just flipped on. That flipped back on. Everything refrigerator back. We solid. All right, let's move on to a project. That's cool. So what we're about to do is cut these steps out for the powerhouse. Y'all can kind of faintly see the pencil marks for the outline for the rides and the run. And this is actually, I think it was a 16-foot 2x12, and the little things in Lowe's that are already cut out that are 40 bucks, I just took it and traced one out in Lowe's, put it out in the parking lot, cut it. My bad, I ain't got no video of that, but we finna cut the stairs out right now and hopefully get to putting them on the powerhouse. We need surge protector power strip for the time being. All right, y'all. So I know my blade is bad. It ain't acting right. I've been cutting on everything else and doing all kind of other stuff, so I'm just gonna switch up. All right, last one. All right. All right, there it is. This piece in the store, I'm sure we've all seen them at the Lowe's or the Home Depot. This piece right here is like 40 bucks. No, I bought this whole piece for, I think it was I think it was $24.99 or $34.99. The whole 16-foot 2x12. And there it is. So y'all see what it do. Sit on the stair like so. And you, I mean on the powerhouse like so. And you walk up. Haha! Alright. Now all we gonna do is trace this on these other ones, cut them out, and we're gonna be good to go.
So you want me to have it go all the way to the edge?
Yeah, as close to the edge as we can get.
Good.
Got it? That's it. Check up, check up.
Other way.
Make sure that's right. Good to go. And that's all she wrote, y'all. That's it. Oh, you want to test it against the other one? Alright. Money savings on point, y'all. Stop playing, man. We're gonna run them out here real quick and see what they look like, and we'll have to drop them down.
Yeah, because they're too high.
In the dirt. So yeah, you can see it's too much, but that'll work for that. And for now, since that's sitting up there, we'll just take it and push it up. So we're gonna end up digging a little bit and pushing those down level with the ground so that those sit right under this edge, and we'll be good to go. But for the video purposes, this is what we came to do. All right, we good to go. We running out of time, so we gonna leave y'all right here. He got sawdust everywhere. He was in there working, man. Getting with it, huh?
Holding it. That's it. I only held it.
You did good, man. Come on, stop playing. All right, y'all, we out. Appreciate y'all. We're gonna catch y'all in the next video. Like, hype, subscribe. Oh, wait. You was about to do something, but hold on. The DE, man, it's dusty. That's why you should never work in the container like that. Oh, yeah. We at 49%, y'all. I'm finna press on a few things on the screen. You can see that you can pair in the app. You can see the SKU number, which version this is, the software version as well. You can even change the brightness on it. Oh, that's pretty dope. Okay. And then we got the .coms and the support, whatever you need on there. This is where we can change the communications. And yeah, it's touchscreen, y'all. That's really nice. Go back to the battery. Yeah. You can see each cell in there. Oh, that's nice. Man, I hope that's coming across well, y'all. But you can see the cells in there. It's not much to this battery. It just simply works. Back button. It's nice and responsive. Man, battery just does what you want it to do when you want it, and that's all you need. So, hey, DE, I appreciate y'all. Game changer for in here. I'll throw a lot of the specs up on the screen for y'all. Y'all can go check out the battery if you want to. It's very inexpensive right now, at least at the time of this video. Check the link in the description. And for real this time, we out again, DE. Thank you.